My friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Tech Shider and today I will present to you the See Everything Smart Lock. eufy Video Smart Lock. 3-in-1 combination. 2K resolution camera. 0.3's fingerprint recognition smart lock. Dual motion detection doorbell. Any place you are. Presently you can see who's at your front entryway and welcome them inside with eufy Security Video Smart Lock. The most recent development from eufy Security gives you a definitive 3-in-1 coordinated accommodation to give you a superior involvement with your entryway. Watch guests approach, get lock and open notices, and enter your home with the quickest finger impression opening. See the most recent headways and tech that make Video Smart Lock fit solidly into your home. See your visitors show up and invite them home all from your telephone with Video Smart Lock. This exceptional 3-in-1 reconciliation joins a 2K camera, progressed video doorbell notice innovation, and the quickest smart lock unique finger impression security into one gadget. In addition, you can store any accounts without paying a solitary membership expense, getting your home and your wallet. With a strong 2K camera, you can see everything about offer your visitors accommodation as you invite them home. The 160 degrees huge field of view displayed in a 4:3 arrangement makes seeing your front entryway normal and pleasant. In addition, wide dynamic range innovation makes video clear even on the most brilliant days. While 4 infrared lights guarantee you'll see anybody around evening time. Decrease 95% of those bothersome phone problems with astute dual motion detection. Consolidating the responsiveness of uninvolved infrared (PIR) identification with cutting-edge radar. Video Smart Lock can detect up to 19 feet, 6 meters, away precisely. Additionally, with the additional channel of human detection, you'll conceivably get admonitions when it is significant. Furthermore, the extra consciousness of loitering detection engages you to move rapidly. If a yard privateer is wandering around your property, distinguish any article with almost 100% exactness with Video Smart Lock's human, pet, and vehicle detection. It sifts through pointless notices for influencing trees, and cautions you just when there's something genuinely dubious outside. In addition, you can set up AI mode to help Video Smart Lock to advise you to your accurate determinations. Whenever kids return home from the everyday schedule to play with companions, you'll be aware with moment notices. In addition, you can see who's with your children with the strong 2K goal for a definitive genuine serenity. Use Video Smart Lock's inherent Wi-Fi to screen your guests in full 2K goal. Whenever you've affirmed who's outside, remotely open the entryway for your guest, regardless of whether you're not at home. Auto lock has you covered on the off chance that you inadvertently neglect to lock the entryway behind you. The geomagnetism sensor and gyrator precisely find the entryway's situation inside 0.75 mm, and acts in seconds to keep your home secured. What's more, assuming that you really want to pop outside rapidly, basically set a commencement to keep your entryway open for as long as 3 minutes. Give yourself inner harmony with Video Smart Lock's BHMA affirmation effectively locked and opened in excess of multiple times. In addition, its tough, enduring 40,000 console presses, 10,000 newtons of pull testing, and 10,000 effect tests all confirmed by proficient associations. For assurance against the components, Video Smart Lock has an IP65 waterproof rating, and works in temperatures from 22 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, 30 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius. Video Smart Lock is viable with most entryways utilized in the US, Canada, and Australia. Additionally, it very well may be handily introduced in something like 15 minutes with simply a screwdriver. Never pay a membership expense and safeguard your security simultaneously with worked-in neighborhood capacity on Chime. Your computerized fingerprints and accounts are monitored by military-grade security to guarantee just you and individuals you trust see them. The Accept Your Home security framework ought to be effectively associated with your life. They are fostering a component to incorporate Video Smart Lock. with all eufy security gadgets for wise, advantageous administration. Thanks for watching. Please like my video, and subscribe if you're new to my channel. God bless.